Hello everyone! This video will go over some additional details about writing Project 3. This video, however, will not replace the assignment prompt, so please make sure you read through the assignment prompt as well as watch this video. Your third writing project is a genre analysis, where you'll analyze an academic or professional genre. This means that you will work with a genre related to your major or an area of interest if you don't have a major yet. First, let's define a genre analysis. According to Purdue OWL, it's a way of examining a type of style of writing in order to better understand the conventions, expectations, purpose, and target audience of that genre. Essentially, a genre analysis helps you better understand why the genre includes certain elements to achieve its purpose. But you can complete this task with any genre, so why is it required that you work with an academic or professional genre? Well, this way the project is more relevant to your studies because you could pick a genre you think you'll have to write in the future, thus giving you a sort of head start in your major or interests. You also develop analytical skills that you can apply to other academic genres in the future. This way, when you work with unfamiliar genres in the future, you'll know what to do to understand the genre better thanks to skills from this project. So what exactly should your analysis include? It should answer questions about a few areas. The rhetorical situation, where you can analyze the author, audience, purpose, etc. Also, language, analyzing complexity and expectations related to sentence structure, word choice, etc. And form, where you analyze formatting, organization, layout, visual elements, etc. Check the assignment prompt for more specific questions related to these categories. Ultimately, you want to address the possibilities and limitations of the genre, explain what counts as effective writing in the genre, and explain what it will take to work with the genre for you as a writer. When getting started with this project, think about genres that are common in your major or area of interest if you don't have a major yet. You'll work with one genre for this project, but sometimes thinking about and brainstorming your options before choosing one can be helpful. If you're stuck because you're not sure what genres are common in your field, consider asking friends or family who know about the field you're interested in. You could also ask a professor about the kinds of writing people commonly do in their discipline to get an idea. Once you've brainstormed and chosen the genre you think is the right fit, find 3 samples of this genre. These samples will help you understand the elements of the genre and ground your analysis. More tips on this in the next couple slides. Next, assess and evaluate the samples using the questions in the assignment prompt as a guide. Read the samples and take notes. What characteristics do they have in common? Do they differ? You can annotate your samples or use a different reading technique. Chapters 3 and 4 in your textbook go over other techniques. With all this information, you can hopefully start drafting this project. An important part of your analysis is the samples of your genre, because they show that you've done your research and they're examples of what you discuss in your analysis. You might be wondering, however, how you can find published samples of your genre. Start by asking yourself if you're more likely to find popular or scholarly sources of your genre. A popular source is a source made for a general audience, such as items found in newspapers, magazines, etc. Scholarly sources are usually for academic audiences and are written by experts in the field. They are most likely peer-reviewed or read over by other experts before they are published. Determining if your genre is a popular or scholarly source can affect how you search for samples. For popular sources, you can use Google or search in specific news sites or magazines for examples. You can try Googling something like published examples or samples of your genre. This type of search, however, might be too broad. You can try thinking of a specific subject or topic to narrow your search. For example, if you Google the Las Vegas hockey team Golden Knights, articles already pop up. However you find your samples, make sure you consider the credibility and reliability of your sources. You can use an interactive media bias chart to get an idea of your publication's political biases. Now, when it comes to scholarly sources, your approach to find samples will look different. You can use the UNLV Library Quick Search and Google Scholar to search. Go to library.unlv.edu for the library website, where you can start searching from the home page. As with popular sources, you might have more luck searching for particular topics as opposed to just searching for lab reports. What's a topic that would warrant a lab report you could search for? Also, once you search for something, check out what items you can filter to make your search easier. The UNLV library also provides tutorials to help you navigate the quick search. Another way to go about finding samples is by Googling academic journals in your major, because the journals will surely publish material relevant to your field. Once you have a title of a journal from a Google search, you can go to the UNLV Library website and search for the title to hopefully get free access to articles. The library doesn't have access to everything, so it might take a couple tries, but hopefully you'll find an entire journal related to your major. If you have any questions about this project, reach out to your instructor.